record. Oh, there we go. New game. Demo. Wow, I'm so old. We were playing this in December.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right
Is it
now.
purple?
So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works
it doesn't
and nothing
scream.
catches on fire.
Doesn't scream.
When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then past you, and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as the security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice.
Hello?
And a foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. So watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to suit you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, boo. But, you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline. In trying to make the place feel vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. Yeah, I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
A ver, a tu papá.
Yo soy un juego.
¿Eh?
Yo soy un juego.
Ah, ¿te importa más el
Shush.
juego que tu papá? ¿Ves que ya me estabas diciendo ayer?
Ella dijo que no soy su hija.
¿Cuándo te dije? háblale. Dile, papi, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué vas a venir?
Ahorita.
Ah, ¿ves que me estás diciendo que... ¿Cómo chinga?
Él me llamó.
¿Cuándo?
Te esperando.
Ah, tan habladora.
No, sí es cierto.
¿Qué te dijo?
Que ahorita viene. Un poquito más tarde. En la noche.
Ah,
No estoy mintiendo.
¿qué
Es lo que dijo.
Dame mi celular. ¿Qué dile? Dámelo.
No sé.
Está pegando el dedo.
Oh my god, Todd.
Mira, ni haces
You
caso
wanna
de
mess with
comer.
me? Where are you? You mess with me, child.
Madre, ves cómo chingas tu padre.
Mango, mango. Oh my god, you're right there. No, no, no. Okay, I'm staring at you. I'm just gonna stare at you. Mango, mango. No, no, no. I'm just gonna stare at you. Come at me, bro. I'm just gonna stare at you. No. No.
Eres salvadora, sí.
No. Yeah. I do not want to stare. Okay, okay. Repeat, repeat. I did. No, no. No. Why? What game? What game? Why is this game so hard?
Hi.
Hello. Hi. The fuck? Play audio.
Hi.
Oh my god, I see. No, no, dog. No.
Hi.
I was gonna watch you. No. Oh no. Oh. No. Oh, where were you? You're right there. No. I lost you.
Hello.
¿En cuál carro
No.
te traes cora?
No.
Sé que decías que acá en la otra.
Where the fuck are you? Oh, you scared the fuck out of
No
me.
me alcanza.
Oh, you're right there. Oh, wait, never mind. Shit, I lost you.
¿Qué vas a venir?
No, no.
Horra, ¿quién te ve? Tú te ves y dices porque no te ves.
Come on. Go, 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 go.
No, no, porque no sé a qué hora cierran la lavadora las otras, ¿no?
Oh, he's not there. Okay. Go, go. Oh, no.
Pues no dices que
I
traes ahí
saw
la
him.
cajita.
Where is he? I saw him. Where's he down?
Oh, sí, trae mucho.
Oh, no. No.
Ganas,
No.
más que yo.
I do not care. I'm just gonna look at you.
Pues porque me gastas en lo que-
Oh, no. No. No.
Pagar y pagar, ahora qué pagaste, peso, ni pagaste nada.
Where is he?
¿Qué
No. No.
Nomás, si te sobró bien harto y ya no tienes ni pedo.
You better go back there, man. You better go back. Dude, I'm scared now.
Te daban como $500 para ti y ya.
Go there.
Hello?
No. 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 What the
Ni
fuck?
lonche ni compramos nada. No sé.
No.
Gaste dinero lo loco. Ahora pues, ahorita voy a ver qué cocino, pues no saqué nada. ¿Ves que te dije que ni aceite tenía, no te dije? ¿Ah? ¿Qué? Pues no hay nada de aceite. Pero a ver, ahorita voy a ir a comprar. Dices que yo gano más, y bien yo soy la que estoy gaste para acá. Ah, que yo tengo dinero guardado, pero seguramente no gasto. Que ya le compro champú, que ya compro esto, que ya compro lo otro, salgo rasguñada yo. Y ahorita fui y le puse ese vidrio al ese de Kimberly también, porque ay Dios. Pura gastadera, y tú dices que yo tengo dinero, seguramente no gasto nada. Ay, peor me va a salir si lo quebra. No tiene aseguranza, ¿cómo le van a dar otro? Oh, pero tú.